Hey y'all, Kitchen Trap Queen here with an oven shrimp boil. Yes, I made all of this in the oven. No slaving over a hot stove, y'all. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. First, I'm going to give my potatoes a head start. As you guys know, that potatoes and shrimp do not have the same cooking time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook or pre-cook my potatoes in the microwave for about 8 minutes. What you'll see me doing here is just cutting those red potatoes in half, and I'm putting them in a bowl with damp paper towels. So these are how my potatoes look after being in the microwave for a couple of minutes, and we're just going to add this and all of my ingredients to a baking dish, y'all. This is literally my first time ever doing a shrimp boil, so I cannot give you the measurements for any seasonings or anything that I've used. I apologize, y'all. Like I said, watch it and use your ancestors to help you. So what I'm doing is I added in my corn, which was frozen. Y'all don't put frozen corn in here because my corn came out the texture was weird. I have some corn, potatoes, sausage, a little bit of onions, and some extra large white shrimp. And now I'm just gonna season it with some garlic powder, onion powder, some lemon pepper. I did go in with and some smoked paprika, and of course, y'all, the star of the show, my seafood magic. And I did use a little bit of shrimp, liquid shrimp boil. I used a half a capful. I should have used a whole cap. And then I went on top with some garlic butter, which is just some melted butter and some minced garlic. And I don't know what I was doing with this little bitty spatula, honey. But you know, the southern cooking me gotta get up in there and marinate and massage, all of that stuff. So I massaged it with my hands, and I did end up adding on a little bit more lemon pepper and some seafood magic. And I just covered this, I did add on a little bit more butter, and I covered it with some heavy duty aluminum foil. Y'all, I ended up using 3 sticks of butter for this recipe, y'all. Ridiculous, but it was good. My arteries probably ain't gonna like me, but hey. So I ended up poking the foil with a fork just to get it ventilated so that it can get all nice and steamy. And I did put this in the oven for 45 minutes on 400 degrees. So I wanted a dipping butter to go with my shrimp boil. I ended up making like an Old Bay garlic butter, which was just some butter, some garlic, and some Old Bay. Instead of for dipping it, I actually ended up just pouring it all over the top of the boil, which was good like that than dipping it. And then after about 45 minutes, y'all, look at this. This was so good for my first time ever doing a shrimp boil. When I tell you this bad boy was seasoned, y'all, this bad boy was seasoned. This Old Bay garlic butter was so good all on top of it. I did end up saving a little bit to dip my shrimp in, but man, like I said, y'all, I'm sorry I don't have the measurements for this recipe. Hopefully you are inspired to try this yourself. It was very easy. I will do this again. Next time I will probably add in some crabs or some lobster or something like that. But in the meantime, guys, make sure you like, share, subscribe, look at that. Ooh, that piece was so good. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video.